Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to this video. Inshallah, today I'm gonna explain how to work with simple formulas like find, today function, now function, and how to find the value. For example, I wanna get like chocolate bars, 5 chocolate bars. Each one of them cost 150. How much should I pay in the value? For each item, chocolate bars, yogurt, milk, orange juice, shampoo, and cereal. I have to find the value and their total. And also I will explain the count function, today and now function. And then after that, I may present it with a pie chart. This is the worksheet number 3 for unit 3, verse 6. So Bismillah, let's start. For saving time, I already copy and paste it in an Excel sheet, so I have to type it manually. Now I'm gonna start with finding the today function. How can I find today function? Click on the today cell and then go to more functions. When you click on this arrow, you may go to more functions, and then there is a lot of functions over here. Okay, if you didn't see a date function, you may go to all functions over here. Once you activate this, or you can go to date and time functions. So this one show you date and time functions, or you may browse all functions. Just for saving time, I click on date function and then I click OK, and then I have to type it like manually 2025. The month is like October, and today is 3rd of October. Now I got the date. Oh, sorry, 2026. Also, by the way, you may got like other functions like date value, and you got like e-date. Okay, so there is many other functions. You may go to the day function. Also, today function would work. Once I click today, it's gonna be added automatically, and it's set it to my time zone. So today is Monday, 3 of November. So this is today and date function. There is difference between both of them, so be careful. The same for now function. It depends on the area zone. So I live in Cairo. Now today is Monday, and now it's 11:56 a.m. When I go now function, again the same steps, go more functions. And I may browse now function, and also with date and time functions. Okay, now function, N-O-W, this is the now function. And I click OK, and then again I click OK, and now I got now exactly the timing and the minutes and the seconds also. The hours and the minutes. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Of course, I can change the width of the cells from here. Now I want to bring the value. 5 chocolate bars, each one of them costs 150. You can add the $$ sign from here if you love to. So let me start calculating the value, which is multiplication. Equal 150, shift to number 8 times 5. 150 times 5. Cell P4 multiplied by cell C4. To get the result, of course I have to click enter. If you click anywhere by mistake, you cannot calculate numbers and letters together. You will get error message. Let me show you. Now I got value error message. Always delete it from the keyboard and try again. Equal 150, shift and then number 8 and then 5. Of course, you may not be able to divide numbers and letters. So those are both numbers, and now we'll get the result, which is 750. For saving time, I may use the autofill. Move the pointer to the corner, to the bottom corner, and then click and drag to bring the value. So I can calculate it and I can check it in the formula for each one of them is done automatically. The total function is just like one function, okay? And it's not about adding the quantity and the price. Some of you made that mistake in grade 6. I may use merge and center, so it becomes like one pixel, and I may go automatically to the summation. I just want to add all of those quantities together. Summation from cell D4 to D9, and then I just click enter to get the result. How much should I pay? 2,110. That's it. Count function. Count function will count how many cells that have numbers and letters. How many cells have numbers only. I may highlight everything, and I may go over here and then go count numbers. So it's gonna count how many cells that have numbers. Okay, and then he highlighted for me Oh, sorry. I should go to count function, sorry. Count numbers. And I want to select those cells. And then I just click enter to get the result, which is 18. The result is 18. So I have like 18 cells that have numbers. He didn't count the cells that have letters like chocolate bar, yogurt, and the items, other items. So he only calculated the cells that have numbers. Okay, I hope you understand it. Grade 6. Do the worksheet. Try to submit it before tomorrow's exam, inshallah, and good luck. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, let me know.